Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start trading Ethereum on Robinhood, full guide step by step clearly. To start trading Ethereum on Robinhood, first, download the Robinhood app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account. Provide the necessary information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Complete the verification process by following the prompts sent to your email and phone. After verification, link your bank account to facilitate deposits and withdrawals. Enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Once your bank account is connected, deposit funds into your Robinhood account. Choose an amount that you want to transfer from your bank to Robinhood. Wait for the deposit to clear, which may take a few business days. Once your funds are available, open the search bar in the app. Type Ethereum or ETH into the search bar to find the cryptocurrency. Select Ethereum from the list of options presented. On the Ethereum page, review its current price and performance. To start trading, click on the Trade button. Choose whether you want to buy or sell Ethereum. If buying, enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to purchase. If selling, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to sell. Review your order details carefully before confirming. After confirming, your order will be executed based on market conditions. Monitor your Ethereum holdings in your portfolio section. You can view price changes and market trends from the main dashboard. Consider setting price alerts to stay informed about significant fluctuations. To sell your Ethereum, simply follow the same process as when you bought it. Remember to keep track of market trends and news affecting Ethereum. Trading cryptocurrencies can be volatile, so stay informed and adjust your strategy as needed. With these steps, you are now ready to start trading Ethereum on Robinhood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.